Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing the ThinkOBD 100. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. So right away we see you get a manual, you get a power cable, and you get the device itself. So this is what the device looks like. You have back, selection, press OK to select something, up or down feature, DTC, freeze data, IM readiness, OBD2. So what I like about this, it's a small, compact, it's very lightweight, so it's not going to be in your way. Let's go ahead and check out the cable length. This can be a problem with a lot of OB readers. So the cable length is decent. A lot of OB readers, manufacturers, they don't make the cable length long enough. A lot of people want their length probably close to double this length, because a lot of people actually keep these plugged in, put them under their seat and whatnot. But this one, the cable length is long enough, so we're not going to have any issues with it being too short for us to plug it in. So you would locate your OB port, which is normally on the driver's side, somewhere around where your knee caps are, or under the dash. It's simple to get to. We're going to go ahead, let's show you what it looks like and test this out. Alright, locate your OB port. It's going to look something like that. And you'll plug that in. Once you plug it in, this probably is going to automatically come on. Now you won't need your vehicle started unless you do a live data feature. So for us, we turn our vehicle on just for the sake of turning it on. We can go ahead and do diagnose, press OK. Now it's going to go through the system, and it's going to go through each different mode and test everything out. And now it's going to go through and show you different stuff, which ones are okay, inconclusive, not available, and then you can go up and down. So now you could read codes if you have any codes. So we have no fault codes. We just simply hit back. You can erase codes if you have any fault codes. You can do IM readiness, and this will let you know if your vehicle is ready for inspection. So let's just do this drive cycle, or let's do since cleared. So now it's going to go through everything and show you what's okay and what's not. You just press down to keep going through everything. And if there's any issues, it will tell you which system is having the problem. You want to go back, just press this key right here just to go the whole way back. You can do data stream. This you're going to want your vehicle running, I believe, which we have ours running. So then it will load. So now everything's live. As you can see, the numbers changing. It's going to go through different stuff. So there's a lot of stuff you can do over there. Then you got freeze frame, O2 test. So this would test your, okay, so this vehicle doesn't support it, but certain models will. Onboard monitoring. You can do different tests for that. Status pass. So there's a lot of stuff that you guys can do. You can check out EVAP system and also vehicle information. You can also do DTC Lookup. So DTC Lookup is when you have a check engine code. It's going to give you a code. Then you would simply enter that code. So for example, let's just do generic. So that's go over here. Let's just enter that, and it goes over just different codes. So you would enter your code there. You got setup, language, and unit of measure. So overall, that's what it is.